Welcome. Today you will learn about how to investigate a crime scene as a forensic science investigator. In this simulation you will learn how an investigator assesses a crime scene. We have a robbery attempt at a popular bakery and we are here to assess the crime.
In a shocking turn of events, Valley Bakers, a beloved bakery, fell victim to a robbery on the 23rd of October at 4:35 p.m. Local authorities have launched an investigation into the incident, and the community is left in shock over the brazen crime.
The police have secured the crime scene. Let's assist the injured. Identify and click on the injured people to assist them. The injured individuals have received care from the emergency medical team. Proper documentation ensures that all relevant information and evidence at the crime scene are preserved in their original state. This includes the physical condition of the scene, position of objects, and the state of potential evidence. Failure to document adequately can lead to the loss or contamination of critical evidence. Use the items provided in the bag to find the things required for documentation. Let's write down the details of the crime scene. Pull out the notepad from the bag by clicking on it. Use the notepad to enter the details about the crime scene and enter the following details. Click on the highlighted Add Details button to fill out the details of the crime scene. Before moving any object, we should take photographs of the crime scene to preserve the details. Grab the camera and take photographs of crime scenes from different locations. Move to the target locations to capture important aspects of the crime scene. To capture the photographs of crime scenes, align the camera on the hand to the camera on each target location. Next step in documentation is sketching. Grab the drawing book from the bag to sketch the crime scene. Move to the target locations to get a better view of the scene. A sketch is already made by us to make it easy for you, however some objects are missing. Identify the location of the following missing objects to place them in the sketch. Missing objects: 1. Chair. 2. Wallet. 3. Glass pieces. 4. Mask. Click on the object to start locating it. There are 4 types of measuring techniques. First, we will use the method of triangulation. In triangulation, an object is located with reference to 2 stationary objects forming a baseline. Start by creating a baseline. Select 2 stationary objects in the scene. That's right. A stationary object is one that remains at rest or doesn't change its position relative to a particular frame of reference. Click on the chair to identify its location. Object 1 chair has been successfully located using triangulation method and updated in the sketch. Click on the wallet to identify its location. Now we will use rectangular coordinates with reference to the baseline to identify the location of the wallet at the crime scene. Click on the wallet to draw a perpendicular from the wallet onto the baseline. Object 2 wallet has been successfully located and updated in the sketch. Click on the glass pieces to identify its location. Now we will use rectangular coordinates using 2 baselines. We already have one baseline. Click on the highlighted objects to create another baseline. Click on the glass pieces to draw perpendiculars from the glass pieces onto the 2 baselines. Object 3 glass pieces have been successfully located and updated in the sketch. Click on the mask to identify its location. Now we will use polar coordinates using a stationary reference point. Click on the stationary object as a reference point. The mask is 20 feet from the baseline and 20 degrees east of north. The final object, mask, has been successfully located and updated in the sketch. A sketch should also show the directions of the crime scene. Observe the compass and click on the arrow pointing towards north. That's right. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the simulation. In this simulation, you have learnt the following: 1. Documentation of a crime scene. 2. Identifying the location of an object using measuring techniques. 3. Sketching of a crime scene. This has been an example of forensics field work simulation. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the homepage and try a different experience.